you grab the broom, please?
There's water in that bowl.
Tiny bit, but it like sticks to the wall. So cool. Here.
Oh, basically you like push it in so the air pressure goes
Yeah.
in.
Just put it there. Hold it. Got it. A sec. You're on your own, loser. You're a bitch. A sec. Haley, want to say hi to YouTube for me?
No. You're not actually filming.
I am. I filmed that all. It was hidden under my sweater.
What do I do?
You could either wait or just
Wait
do
for
it all.
what?
You could just do it now. Let go now.
I don't want to let go now. Who taught you this?
New William Johnson video.
Oh, you suck. I knew I should have watched that yesterday.
You can let go now.
I'm trying to
You're not gonna get out, Haley.
Okay. I should get the walls wet, shouldn't I?
No, Mom will yell at you.
She's gonna yell at you.
Ew, I have to get fake teeth.
What?
Just tell you later.
By the way, Tuesday night I'm bringing home lots of gummy stuff. Oh, you can't eat popcorn.
Just let go already.
Oh, you're not actually filming that, are you?
I am. Still got 12 minutes of memory too.
Oh my god, I'll wait here. You're not putting that on YouTube, are you?
Just let go already.
I don't want to because I'm gonna get in so much crap. Okay, there's like little stripes on the ceiling now.
Let's go.
No!
Ah! Damn it! That didn't work.